You have anger rising within you and you're trying to control it. Well, there is a great meditation technique on visualization, on how to calm yourself and anchor yourself into calmness. Welcome back to Keep Inspiration Alive. I'm Mr. Michael Adams. Today we're discussing anger and how to control it. As situations arise throughout the day, you may find yourself in situations that upset you and cause anger within your system. You might be driving down the street and someone cuts you off or walks in front of you, and your automatic response is, "Oh, that bad person, blah," and anger starts to arise. Well, let's first understand there is no such thing as good or bad people. There are pleasant people, and then there are unpleasant people. And all of us, including you and I, oscillate between the two. Now, when we are in pleasant environments, we create pleasantness within ourselves. And when we are in unpleasant environments, we create unpleasantness within ourselves. Good or bad people? No. Pleasant and unpleasant. And how we control that is we create pleasant environments within ourselves. There is a great book called The Silva Mind Control Method by Jose Silva. It was recommended by Vishen Lakhiani from Mindvalley. And there's a great technique on how to anchor yourself into a calm and pleasant state. The meditation is just sit there calmly, put yourself into a state of being, and relax. Go into an alpha state of mind and relax. Go to your own level. And what you do is you want to close your eyes, and you visualize outside of you. You want to project outside of you a movie screen about 6 feet in front of you. And within that movie screen, you want to visualize an apple or any fruit, but let's just go with an apple so we can all be on the same page with this. So what you do is you visualize an apple sliding in from the left to the right into the middle of the screen that you're projecting outside of you 6 feet in front of you. And as you're looking at that with your eyes closed, visualizing with your mind's eye, you see that apple and you want to visualize it in great detail of a beautiful apple. From there, you take that apple in two-dimensional form on the movie screen projected in front of you outside of your system, and then you want to continue to visualize it. And then what you want to do is pull it out of the screen into a third dimensional. So now you are looking upon this apple on the screen in a third dimension. From there, you visualize the apple starting to spin around. And again, create the visualization of complete detail of every aspect of this red apple. Thoughts may arise during this period, but that's okay. As your thoughts arise, cloud your visualization, you become aware of these thoughts that are coming in that are distracting you, and you simply and easily, with grace, pull your awareness back to the apple, of the visualization of the apple. This is a great technique. As you do this more and more throughout the day, over time, you want to maybe apply this about 2 times a day, 10-15 minutes a day, and this will start to anchor you. Now, the next person who is unpleasant, who comes into your life, into like a situation, remember, we all are pleasant and unpleasant when we are oscillating between the two. So when someone becomes unpleasant, that should have no meaning for you to become unpleasant as well. because you become a self-master of your own emotions. And so to avoid that, as you start to recognize anger starting to arise, you then anchor yourself back in to that visualization state of an apple. Start thinking of that apple. And as you do this over time, you're now anchoring that apple as a calm state of being. So when unpleasantness arises outside of you, you have complete control of your state of being by anchoring yourself. What do you think about this particular meditation? Do you try visualizations at home? I would love to hear back from you. What visualization techniques do you use? This is Mr. Michael Adams, and this is Keep Inspiration Alive. If you got any value out of this, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button, and we would love to see you next time.